Hey everyone, welcome back to Venta. Today we're talking about the 2026 Honda CBR 250R, a bike that continues Honda's tradition of blending sporty design, everyday usability, and legendary reliability into one well-rounded package. This motorcycle is built for riders who want excitement without intimidation, making it a perfect choice for beginners, daily commuters, and even experienced riders looking for a lightweight sport bike that's fun and practical. The design of the 2026 Honda CBR 250R immediately grabs attention with its sharp and aggressive styling. Inspired by Honda's larger CBR models, the bike features sleek full fairings, a sculpted fuel tank, and a compact tail section that gives it a true supersport look. The LED headlamp adds a modern touch while improving visibility, and the aerodynamic bodywork not only looks fast but also helps reduce wind resistance at higher speeds. From the side, the bike has a clean and balanced profile, and from the rear, the sporty stance makes it clear that this machine is built to perform while still being street-friendly. When it comes to performance, the 2026 CBR 250R delivers smooth and predictable power that's ideal for real-world riding. The single-cylinder engine is tuned to provide strong low and mid-range torque, making city riding and highway cruising easy and enjoyable. Acceleration is responsive without being overwhelming, which helps new riders build confidence while still giving experienced riders enough punch to have fun. The engine is refined and efficient, offering excellent fuel economy, so you can ride longer without constantly worrying about fuel stops. The 6-speed gearbox shifts smoothly, and the overall power delivery feels balanced and controlled. Handling is another strong point of the Honda CBR 250R. The lightweight chassis and well-tuned suspension make the bike feel agile and stable at the same time. Whether you're weaving through traffic, carving corners on a weekend ride, or cruising on the highway, the bike remains planted and easy to control. The riding position strikes a comfortable balance between sporty and upright, reducing strain on the wrists and back while still giving you that authentic sport bike feel. Braking performance is confidence-inspiring, with responsive brakes that provide good feedback and control in different riding conditions. One of the standout aspects of the 2026 Honda CBR 250R is its unique features that enhance both safety and convenience. Honda's advanced braking technology helps ensure stable stopping power, especially in sudden braking situations. The digital instrument cluster provides all the essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, and trip data, with a clean and easy-to-read layout. The bike's overall build quality reflects Honda's attention to detail, from the smooth switchgear to the durable paint finish, ensuring long-term reliability and low maintenance costs. The 2026 CBR 250R is also a bike that fits seamlessly into everyday life. It's easy to maneuver in tight spaces, comfortable for longer rides, and affordable to own and maintain. Whether you're commuting to work, learning the basics of sport riding, or simply enjoying the thrill of the open road, this bike delivers a satisfying and dependable riding experience. Proves that you don't need a massive engine to have fun or to look stylish on two wheels. Thanks for watching.